Here's the mothership.
Oh,
he's a big boy. He's a big boy. Baby.
That's the last one. Might as well start finding one of those, so.
Yeah, we're out of your wide. Out near Eaton and found a new patch. Some serious weight here, guys. Three quality fish hopefully coming up. Dave's is big and heavy.
Hey? Oh, Linc's got colour.
We've got colour already, have we?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see what we got. Yeah, you got some, hopefully a few good fish here. Linc's is coming up wide. What do we got? It's a big cod. Big cod. Nice cod. Alright, that's got a big spangledy. Yeah, real big spangledy. Look here. He's a big spangle, that one. Alright. Oh, beautiful spangled emperor there, mate. Yeah, colour down deep and it's looking red. Oh, another, double header. And what's he got on the back? Chinaman.
Another one.
Ah, big red in the Chinaman. Oh, quality. Linc, you've done it again. Okay, good drift, guys. Well done. Another triple hook up. The other two got busted up, so what a spot. Yeah. It's all go. Okay, no. Oh, Dave, get him.
No, mate, no, lost him.
Drop back to him, drop back to him.
You done him?
Done, Greg's gone.
I can't get cut.
Oh, yeah. Big weight, yep. All right. There's some hellfish here. Hey, well done, mate. Nice, Denny. Dave's got another horse. Yeah, only two on now. With all the others have busted us up. We're down to two.
Do you want me to hand the rod over?
No, we've got a nanny in, sorry. One nanny and just two left now. It's chaos. What have we got? Big nanny. And a red out the back. And a nice red for Dave.
Coming in all over the place.
Double Linc. Oh, another nice red. Well done. Yeah, okay, just drifting back onto the shoal there where those four icons are. We are just nailing them. Fast drift though, a couple of knots. And not much on the bottom, but there are fish there. We're pulling up reds, nanny guy, spangled emperor, cod, just going off. And a few unstoppables.
Yeehaw!
Reds are coming on. Dave's still on, got some serious weight. Now this is a monster grassy. Ah, monster grassy. Our best is 62, 63. He's going to give that a serious nudge.
That 100-pound line works great.
Colour on the big rod. What do we got? Not a shark in? Doesn't look like a shark. That's another, it's a bloody big red, I think.
Right. Jeez. Another cod.
Oh, another cod.
Another cod.
Oh, that's massive.
Oh, bigger again. Big old girl. We might try let this one go. He's a huge horse.
Holy snap and duction.
He's huge. Good one, Greg. 60 centimetre grassy. Well done, mate. Norm's turn. Yeah, been some awesome fishing down here at Eaton. Big fish, and Dave's pulling another one. Yep. It's coming up. Can we far now, Dave?
Yeah, not far.
Some good weight there. What do we got, guys? Any colour there, Greg?
Yep, it's coming now.
It's red. It's another red emperor.
Big red.
Stacks of reds on this trip.
Big red.
Another nice red. Oh, mate, awesome. Another quality red.
You beauty.
Bloody oath, mate. Good stuffed.
Let's get back into it.
Okay.
The famous or infamous?
Okay, show Greg how to do it.
Show Greg how to use his rod and reel.
Show Greg how to use his rod and reel, boy. Come on, mate.
That's true.
You were born in Newcastle, mate, I'm sure.
Is he behind me?
No, mate.
A little bit of wire, actually.
On the Spanish. Oh, good size one. Yeah, good Spanish. No, we don't have barracuda.
Alright, we'll take him right over the other corner. Keep going down.
Right out the way, right out the way. Oh, yeah, that's a better fish. Now we're talking. No pressure, Ian. Now let me go around again.
Hey!
He's on. Actually, hold him in. All right. Okay, get him on board.
Finger up his ass so he doesn't slip over.
Hey, that's a quality Spanish. Well done, Norm. Big headshot. Where's the headshot? X-Rap, what, 20 or 30?
20 plus.
X-Rap 20 plus. All right, well done.